In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an NSFW channel on Discord. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to manage channels on the server you're working in. I'll be showing the steps on the desktop app, but the flow is the same in the browser. Start by opening Discord and selecting the server where you want the channel. In the left sidebar, find the text channel section. Hover over that area and click the button to create a channel. When the channel type options appear, choose text. This ensures you're setting up a standard text channel that can later be flagged as age restricted. Next, give your new channel a clear, descriptive name. Keep it short and easy to recognize so members can immediately tell what it's for. Once you've named it, click Create Channel to add it to your server. With the channel created, it's time to configure the important safety settings. Open the channel settings by clicking the gear icon next to the channel name. You'll land in the channel settings panel. Go to the Overview tab. Here, look for the age-restricted channel option and toggle it on. This marks the channel as 18+ and adds Discord's built-in access gate, which helps keep content behind a clear age warning. After toggling it on, click Save Changes so the setting is applied. Now let's control who can see the channel. Switch to the Permissions tab in the channel settings. Turn on Private Channel. Making the channel private hides it from everyone by default and ensures only selected roles or members can access it. This is a best practice for sensitive spaces and helps you comply with server rules. When you're done toggling the privacy setting, click Save Changes again to lock everything in. That's the core setup. You opened your server, created a new text channel, named it, marked it as age restricted in the Overview tab, and then made it private under Permissions, saving your changes each time. A couple of tips as you finish up. Keep your channel naming consistent with the rest of your server. Review your server's rules so expectations are clear, and always follow Discord's community guidelines and terms regarding age-restricted content. These steps don't add any extra actions. They simply help you maintain a safe, compliant environment. And that's it. You now have a properly configured NSFW channel on Discord that's age-gated and private. If this walkthrough helped, consider tidying your server's role structure so access remains intentional and easy to manage over time. Thanks for watching and happy moderating.